everyone, welcome back in my channel Cocktails and Mocktail Factory. This is Amit, your host, and I am here today with another recipe of a mocktail. This mocktail is very famous and children basically love this mocktail like anything. And also, we also love this mocktail to have sometimes. The name of the mocktail is Blue Lagoon, which is very famous, and the color is no doubt very attractive. I personally like the color, that blue color, very much. So let's start today's mocktail, Blue Lagoon. Before that, the same thing what I always tell to you all, that please subscribe my channel and also like and share so that others can also see and learn. So let's start today's mocktail, that is Blue Lagoon. So very fast, I will give around 50 ml of blue Curacao. Then I will add around 15 ml of fresh lemon juice and 15 ml of simple syrup. Now I will put some ice in the glass. Finally, Sprite on top. So after giving Sprite, we have to stir it little bit. So that all the ingredients mix properly. Fine. It's ready to serve. Give a straw and serve it. You can see it's a very beautiful color, very attractive color. So this is a Blue Lagoon. Let me test and give you the feedback. You all know children prefer this drink like anything. Even ladies also prefer to have this mocktail whenever they go to any kind of bar or in restaurants and all. And we also sometimes love to have this kind of mocktails when we are sitting back home in a very relaxed mood. So today I have taught you all how to prepare this Blue Lagoon, so you can easily prepare it at your home and enjoy this Blue Lagoon. So fine, this is still today, and keep an eye on my channel, watch my next videos whichever is about to come, and also subscribe. So till then, take care, bye bye.